Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, so 4701. I mean, they take it down. They do that lower level. They can't deal with the 100-day, and you've got to bounce. And what has turned into what was a small bounce has really accelerated throughout the day yesterday. It looked like it maybe wanted to chop there, the way Globex was happening into the open, but 35, 36, 37 was a starting gun, and off it went, based a little bit, and then it lifted a whole other leg up into the close. Another really nice trading day, and that's continued into Globex. So we were long off the open. That was nice. Dealt with a little bit of chop midday, and then we ended up long in the low 70s, holding into Globex, and we've taken some profits on that, and we have a runner locked in on that. So it's been a really nice trading week. I'll leave it at that. It's been a really nice trading week. We're going to trade the morning. Whether we trade the afternoon, it's either because we have a runner working or there's something really, the vol's really good, or something is really going to have to say, hey, Mike, don't start your 3-day weekend early. And that's why we're traders. We're not traders so we can sit in a room and stare at however many screens you have that you'd like to take pictures and show your friends about your great fucking setup and watch one handle, candles all day long when your day and your week and your month and your year are already made and it's December 23rd. That's not why we do what we do. We do what we do because on a day like today, where our week and our month and our year are made, we can relax. Take day off. I mean, I've got, I would say I have, it's easily more than a dozen subscribers have hit me on the side and said, you know what? Love you, man. Merry Christmas. I'll see you next week. Because we got the day handled on Monday, Tuesday. And I really, I've been talking about this all week. I want to continue to encourage you that this is the time of year to recharge. January's coming. We're going to hit the ground running, and we're going to go ahead and park another year. But don't go crazy trading in a market that at some point is going to slow down. I mean, it's been doing it kind of midday. And look, we're in a great big trade right now that set up yesterday into the close, and that's fine. But when it slows down, don't overtrade. Don't get frustrated in a tape that doesn't want to be traded. You have to be opportunistic in this tape. There's really only been a couple of opportunities. But I continue to encourage everybody to use these times, take advantage of the volatility all month long, book your handles, make your month, and then relax. Go enjoy your family. Do whatever it is you do. Take a nap. Whatever. If you're not where it's freaking 28 today, go golfing. Do something. Go to the beach. I'm going to sit here next to the fucking space heater. Hourly chart. So look, here's where the trouble started. Back on Monday, couldn't deal with the 100-day. You're making higher lows. You continue to make higher lows. This was a key test of the weekly pivot. Like I said, off the open yesterday, they freaking nuked them. They never looked back. They did a little one here, and now it's just bleeding. And what I will say to you is you really only need one close with a 47 on the front of it. All-time highs are open. And you say, Mike, what do you mean all-time highs are open? We were just down to 44.92, 4,500, and Omicron and all that. Tape doesn't give a shit. Price doesn't care. I get it. You read Barron's. You watch the news. You stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. I get it. That's all great. It's all good. I do that too. But it has zero to do with price. And unless the bears get a piece of news that'll knock this down and keep it down, or they find their car keys and start to progress price to the downside, that tape will bleed up into the 47.50s. Why? Because it's what's next. And they'll take every weak short and stubborn short and contrarian kicking and screaming all the way to the North Pole at 48 or at 47.50. Don't be that person. Look, if it wants to come in, that's great. We were in a nice short. We've been in some really nice shorts this week. But if it doesn't want to go down, then why do you want to be short? If it doesn't want to go down, why do you want to be short? Now, the unpopular answer to that is because I want to be right. Nobody will ever admit that. But it's because you want to be right more than you want to make money. Flip that around, and it'll change your trading dramatically. Want to make money more than you want to be right. Be flexible in your approach. Change your mind as often as you need to get on the correct side of price. And if you're wondering how to do that, come see us. All right. Volume weighted average price is 46.93. Proprietary moving average 97.5. The 5-minute mid is at 4,700 even, right on the dot. Hourly mid is 88. I do think at some point during the day, whether it's at 88, this number's going to continue to rise. I think it's going to have to, there'll be at least one test of the hourly mid band. What the bears do with it, it's up to the bears. But if they don't do anything about it, then the bleed up is going to be on. The bleed up will be on. And it will go farther than any, cranky little Ebenezer short wants it to go. I think I've done enough Christmas metaphors today. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrates. Remember, tomorrow, Globex, everything is completely closed. It's a true 3-day weekend. We don't get those very often in the market. Enjoy the day. All right? Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. All the best to you and your families. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Merry Christmas.